always been skewed in favor of the women as far as Bihar is concerned. Right. I mean, there are multiple factors, mainly, of course, many migrant labor are actually not present and can't go back to vote. But Prabhakar, this is a prestige battle for Nitish Kumar, isn't it? This constituency in particular.
Yeah, it is, and this is the Yadav heartland of Bihar. Madhepura has always been the Yadav heartland. This has been the political ground for Lalu Prasad Yadav as well. And remember, in Bihar, the 5 phases goes to poll today. 3 of them falls in the Kosi region, the Madhepura, Aradia, and Supol, and 2 of them falls in the Mithila region, which is Jhanjharpur and Khagadia. We are here at one of the polling stations in Madhepura. The scene behind me, you can see there's a long queue behind me, so it's pleasant. The weather is playing a very supporting role today, and long queue of men and women as well. So that's a good news. As Maria, you were mentioning, the women are coming out in good numbers, and the weather is so pleasant out here that it almost feels like being in Shimla. We have seen harsh weathers in 2 of the phases in Madhepura, but this the 3rd phase in Madhepura, especially in the entire Kosi region, especially the 3 constituencies. What we are witnessing is a weather temperature around 30 degree, which is a very pleasant weather actually to stand in the queue. That's the reason why since morning, even before the polling started, the people were queuing up outside the polling stations, and they are here to cast their vote. Remember, because this is Yadav belt, this has a very large minority population, so ND Alliance is hoping to do well here, though they don't have numbers as far as the Lok Sabha is concerned, but they have a substantial number of MLAs from this region, Maria.
Maria, it's very interesting what he said, because this actually is a huge prestige battle as far as Nitish Kumar is concerned. It's a Yadav stronghold. Sharad Yadav, Lalu Prasad Yadav, they've all won from here. So if he can actually manage to retain this, it's going to be a big win for him if he can manage to.
Yes, that's right. And a big